To install this adapter, let's start with the front. You'll notice that the side with the screw hole is flat. The opposite side is hooked. You'll need to put the hooked end in first. Then push it into place. Add the M4 screw to secure it. Now let's rotate to the back. The back plate has a notch cut into it, so it can slide around the fine adjustment rod. But you'll notice that if you try to insert this while the router is down, it won't fit. You first need to raise the router up. Now you can slide the back plate in, around the rod first, and then push it into place. You can lower the router back down, and now the back plate is locked in place. Now you can add the M4 screw. The installation is complete. The adapters are available in multiple sizes and support many different tools.